Are you a beginner in woodworking? Then, you're in the right place. In this video, we will be discussing the essential woodworking tools that every beginner should have in their toolbox. Safety should always be your top priority when working with tools. Make sure to have safety goggles, ear protection, and a dust mask to protect yourself from potential hazards. Accurate measurement is crucial in woodworking. You'll need a tape measure, combination square, and marking gauge to ensure precise cuts and joinery. Hand tools are essential for any woodworking project. Include a set of chisels, a coping saw, and a block plane in your toolkit for shaping and smoothing wood surfaces. Power tools can significantly speed up your woodworking projects. Add a circular saw, power drill, and orbital sander to your collection for efficient cutting, drilling, and sanding. Clamps are indispensable for holding pieces of wood together during gluing or assembly. Invest in various types of clamps like bar clamps, pipe clamps, and spring clamps to cover different project requirements. Having the right woodworking tools is essential for beginners to embark on their woodworking journey. Start with these tools and gradually expand your collection as you gain more experience.